Hello, Sweet Home Services. Thank you so much. This is a message or a custom video that I've made for Tara. I did call your office earlier today, and your receptionist, Emily, recommended that I send this video to you. So this is a custom video that I put together with some tips and tricks that you can implement immediately on your own to improve your online presence. So I hope it's helpful. At the end of the video, if you wouldn't mind taking time to send me a quick email, just let me know if it was helpful at all, if there were things that weren't unclear, or if you have any suggestions for me. My intent is to help small businesses with bringing in more clicks and visits to their websites, and just to give back to the community. So hopefully this is a service that will be somewhat beneficial to you. So let's get started. So the things that I'll be talking about are the important website elements, content, backlinks, and citations. Content, of course, is anything that's on your website: words, images, videos. And it's important that you have as much content as possible, because this is where your keywords are going to be embedded and contained. You need good keywords for Google to find your website. And ideally, they would be keywords that your competitors are using. We like to suggest at least 1,500 words on your homepage, maybe 500 or so on your back pages. These are not hard set numbers, of course, but the more content you have on your website, it gives the impression that you're knowledgeable and an expert in your field. So Google does give preference to websites that have more content. Keywords are those, of course, those words that are phrases that people use while browsing. They're extremely important as well. So you'd want to make sure that you have the right keywords on your website and are using keywords that make it easy for users to find you. And then citations are the things that you commonly see when you're doing a Google, Yelp, or Yellow Pages search. It's the name, address, phone number of the business. You do want to have as many or even more citations than your competitors. Getting citations helps your website to rank on Google. And of course, that's what we all want to do, right? We want to be easy to find on Google. And then finally, backlinks, another important element. Backlinks are the placement of your URL on other websites. Examples are Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn, Wikipedia, etc. These backlinks direct traffic from other websites onto your webpage. The thing to keep in mind, though, is that not all backlinks are created equal. It's not appropriate just to throw backlinks on websites that are not related to your specific niche. For example, if you are in cleaning, you don't want to have your website URL on Pizza Hut pages or gyms or things like that. You want to make sure that your backlinks are strategically placed on relevant pages. So let's take a look at what you have on the internet right now. So the first thing that I would call out is that you could use some more content on your page just to make it more, make it rank higher with Google. It doesn't look like you have a lot of traffic being driven to your website right now. And even if this is just a lead gen or a page that's intended just as a holding page to gather contacts or leads, you'd still want to have a decent amount of content here. And you do have a lot of services that you're offering. So my recommendation would be actually to make a separate page for each of the services that you offer. So for example, when you click services, you have roof repair, roof cleaning, roof installation, plumbing, drain cleaning, toilet repair, stump removal. So you have quite a bit. So you have a lot of wiggle room. What I would recommend is that you have a separate page for each of those. Not only would that help you to rank, but it would cause Google to scan all of those pages and all of those keywords, and it would give you more strength on your page and give you a higher ranking, which is ideally what you want to do, right, to get more clients. So when I do the home services in Concord, California search, this is the map pack where the top competitors are showing. So Home Depot shows up right away. We're probably not going to compete, but there's room for you in this map pack. You see Always Home Services doesn't even have a website listed. So you could easily, we call that low hanging fruit. You could easily rank and get placed right in there. Just slide on in there. And that would be ideal for you because most of the website clicks from Google occur in this area. About 30 to 40% of people, when they do a Google search, they will click in this box to get the services that they need. So if we can get you there, or at the very least, if you were able to take these tips that I'm giving you and implement some of these changes, you would have a better chance. And also to get you on the first page. That's also one of the things. If you're not in the map pack, at least be on the first or second page of the Google search so that you're getting a lot of traffic. So when I put you up against competitor, did I do this? Actually, let me go back here. I have to take this out. I'm sorry, it's late and I'm kind of tired, but I did promise this video today, so that's I'm going to do. I'm going to keep my promise. The other thing you'll notice is that home services is such a general term. You're getting like home health services as a competitor, a furnace repair company. So that's another reason why Google, that it's important to use appropriate keywords or more keywords to get the searches that you need. Because you're not trying to get people who are looking for senior services, right? Or home services. You want people who need things done in their home, like plumbing and repair, roof repair and things so like that. So you'd want to make sure that you get some keywords. Right now, you're not ranking whatsoever in any of these. So I don't even have any data that I can really pull up for you. But just know that even though it's showing 0, there's ways that you can actually rank. Like I showed you, there's some room for you in that map pack. You just need to get some backlinks, get some citations so that domains are referring people to you, and start building up your organic traffic using appropriate keywords. So that's the end. I hope this has been helpful to you. Please do send me some feedback. It would be really helpful for me to know if I'm actually providing a service to small businesses and if what I'm doing is at all helpful. If you do have questions about any of this, I know I was kind of fast. I was trying to do this quickly so as not to take up much of your time. But if you do have specific questions, also feel free to reach out. All right. Thank you. Take care.